Universal Car Autos brings you expert reviews and detailed insights on the newest cars, blending performance, technology, and innovation from every brand. The 2025 Peugeot 3008 Hybrid marks a significant step forward in the evolution of the French automaker's SUV lineup. Known for its bold design language, efficient powertrains, and user-friendly technology, the new generation of the 3008 embraces a futuristic direction while staying true to Peugeot's commitment to style and practicality. The hybrid version of the 3008 brings a compelling mix of electrified efficiency, dynamic design, and premium comfort, making it a strong contender in the compact SUV segment, especially for buyers looking for sustainability without compromising modern features. On the exterior, the 2025 Peugeot 3008 Hybrid receives a completely redesigned silhouette. The body is now more aerodynamic and streamlined, adopting a fastback-inspired shape that merges SUV practicality with coupe-like sportiness. The front fascia is sharp and expressive, showcasing the brand's new lighting signature with ultra-slim LED headlights and a distinctive grille that blends seamlessly into the bodywork. Vertical daytime running lights act as visual fangs, reinforcing the aggressive stance, while sculpted body lines and flush door handles contribute to the futuristic appeal. At the rear, a sleek light bar stretches across the tailgate, integrating with 3-claw LED taillights and a floating roof designed to create a dynamic and premium look. Under the hood, the 2025 Peugeot 3008 Hybrid is powered by a plug-in hybrid system designed to optimize fuel efficiency and offer short-range electric-only driving. The hybrid powertrain typically pairs a 1.6-liter turbocharged petrol engine with one or more electric motors depending on the configuration, delivering a combined output of around 225 to 300 horsepower. The system is matched to an automatic transmission that shifts smoothly and responds quickly to throttle inputs. Electric driving range is expected to be in the 50 to 70 kilometers range on a single charge, making it ideal for daily commutes and short trips without using fuel. The battery can be recharged through home charging stations or public charging networks, contributing to reduced CO2 emissions and fuel costs. In terms of performance, the hybrid system offers brisk acceleration and confident handling, especially in the all-wheel drive variant where a rear electric motor adds traction. Driving modes include electric, hybrid, sport, and 4WD, allowing the driver to tailor the car's behavior to different driving conditions or preferences. The regenerative braking system captures energy during deceleration and feeds it back into the battery, improving efficiency and supporting longer electric driving. Whether navigating city streets or cruising on highways, the 3008 Hybrid delivers a smooth and refined ride thanks to its well-calibrated suspension and quiet powertrain operation in electric mode. Stepping inside, the interior of the 2025 3008 Hybrid continues Peugeot's signature cockpit design philosophy. The driver-centric layout includes a compact steering wheel, elevated digital instrument cluster, and a large central touchscreen that floats above the dashboard. The materials used throughout the cabin are high quality, combining soft touch surfaces, textured fabrics, and metallic accents for a premium feel. The seats are supportive and comfortable, with options for massage, heating, and ventilation depending on trim level. Cabin space is generous for front and rear passengers, and the fastback body design does not compromise headroom or legroom thanks to clever packaging. Technology plays a central role in the new 3008 Hybrid. The digital instrument cluster is customizable and displays vital driving information including battery level, energy flow, and navigation data. The central infotainment screen runs on the latest Peugeot iConnect system, offering an intuitive user interface, high-resolution graphics, and compatibility with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Voice control, multiple USB-C ports, and smartphone wireless charging are also available. Advanced safety and driver assistance features come standard or as options, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, traffic sign recognition, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree surround view camera system. The system helps reduce driver fatigue and adds confidence during urban or highway driving. Cargo space remains practical in the 3008 Hybrid, with a boot capacity that rivals other compact SUVs. Although the battery system takes up a small portion of the underfloor space, Peugeot has designed the cargo area efficiently to preserve storage functionality. The rear seats fold flat to expand the luggage compartment, and there are storage solutions throughout the cabin to keep everyday items organized. The electric tailgate with gesture control adds convenience when loading or unloading items with full hands. One of the standout aspects of the Peugeot 3008 Hybrid is its ability to deliver a premium experience at an accessible price point. Peugeot continues to focus on offering strong value, with the hybrid variant combining low emissions with advanced features and bold design. Owners benefit from reduced running costs thanks to lower fuel consumption, potential tax incentives for electrified vehicles, and eligibility for city driving privileges in low-emission zones. From a driving perspective, the 3008 Hybrid strikes a fine balance between comfort and agility. The steering is responsive and light at low speeds, making urban navigation easy, while firming up at higher speeds for added confidence. The suspension soaks up bumps effectively, and the vehicle remains composed on winding roads or during quick lane changes. It may not be a performance SUV, but it delivers a satisfying and confident driving experience for everyday use. In terms of sustainability, Peugeot is positioning the 3008 Hybrid as a key part of its electrification strategy. The plug-in hybrid system allows for significant CO2 reduction without requiring owners to fully commit to an all-electric lifestyle. For many drivers, this makes the Hybrid 3008 a practical transitional vehicle, offering the best of both fuel and electric worlds. As charging infrastructure continues to improve across Europe and beyond, the usability and convenience of plug-in hybrids like the 3008 will only increase. Overall, the 2025 Peugeot 3008 Hybrid is a strong evolution of an already popular SUV. It introduces cutting-edge design, thoughtful electrification, and a premium user experience while staying true to Peugeot's core values of innovation and style. It stands out in a crowded segment thanks to its distinctive look, quality interior, efficient hybrid powertrain, and a comprehensive list of technology and safety features. Whether used for city commutes, weekend getaways, or daily errands, the 3008 Hybrid adapts well to modern lifestyles and offers a rewarding driving experience that aligns with the demands of the next generation of eco-conscious drivers. For more detailed car reviews, electrified technology breakdowns, and insights into the future of automotive design, don't forget to subscribe to Universal Car Autos and join us for more intelligent driving content.